Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called Beautiful.ai. It will help you create presentation software. It is a presentation software that help you create designs for you. So it's a first presentation maker that is an expert deck designer. So you don't have to be a presentation expert here. It will may help you make uh, brilliant business presentations. So all you have to do is just have to come here and just put in the information, um, and it will automatically create a presentation here for you. As you can see here, you can customize it with various things on the go. You can add the metrics, all those things here in one go. So it puts all your slide formatting on autopilot. It's a game changer because the personalized option applies the rules of great designs in real time, and you just have to content and your slides adapt like magic. So this is how it works. Coming back to the pricing of this product, uh, it is priced at around $12 per month whenever it is built annually. So there are various slide templates that is available. These are some of the templates that is available here. With bar graph, Gantt chart, all those things are available. So I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.